si Anton Bay! Ala! Wow! 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 Ala! Ay! Grabe! Nice cut, Anton Cortez! So, intermediate class proceed. So, andito pa rin tayo sa Narvacan, Ilocosur. So, mga tatakbo dyan, it's Anton Cortez, Clark Waliza, San Mamarel, CK Magbual, Christopher Mercado, McLaren Villacorta. Sino ba dyan? Nonoy Fernandez. Andyan si Nigel. So, nandyan James Manikis. Bakbakan na! Wow! Grabe! Oy, Nonoy Fernandez, Anton Cortez. Oy, tumba na bird! Ay, sige magbuha ng Clark Waliza. So, Nonoy Fernandez on the lead. Anton Cortez. Wow! Ay! Sige magbuha, simpla na naman. So, Visayas versus Mindanao. Wow. So, Nonoy Fernandez on the lead, followed by Anton Cortez. Wow. Gandang laban to, gandang laban to. Wow, 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 wow. Villacorta, Kurt Amdengan, James Manique, San Mamaril, Nigel, Christopher Mercado, and Clark Waliza. Wow. Gandang laban, gandang laban. Nonoy Fernandez versus Anton Cortez. Third na McLaren Villacorta. Wow. So, still leading Nonoy Fernandez. Go, go, go! Wow! Wow! San Mamaril versus Kurt Amdengan. Wow, wow, wow! Dikit ang laban, Anton Cortez versus Nonoy Fernandez. Wow, 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 wow. Ala! Ala! Wow, wow, wow. Visayas versus Mindanao. Wow. Gandang laban, Nonoy Fernandez versus Anton Cortez. Oh, ho, hoy! Outside. McLaren Villacorta outside. Wow.
Nonoy Fernandez maintains the first position lead in this category, which is the intermediate class.
Dikit ang bakbakan, Anton Cortez versus Nonoy Fernandez.
Coming in with James Manique.
Inside si Anton Bay! Ala! Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Wow, wow, wow! Ala! Ay! Grabe! Nice cut, Anton Cortez! Up, up! Grabe, Anton Bay! Ala! Mindanao na leading! Wow, wow, wow! Villacorta on third, Luzon! Luzon on fourth, on fifth, Luzon!
Third position lead.
Magandang laban, Anton Cortez versus Nonoy Fernandez. Wow, Anton Cortez na leading. Wow, 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 wow. Nonoy Fernandez on second.
James Manique is still on fourth.
So McLaren on third. James Manique, San Mamaril, Christopher Mercado, Clark Waliza, Nigel Torre, and Kurt Amdengan. Wow. Still on the lead, Anton Cortez.
On second position. Still on third. That's bike number 13.
Wow.
And a battle there fourth. We have a three-way outside inside. We have Jake Maniguez, Santa Maria Line.
Still leading Anton Cortez. Wow. Wow. Battle of Ford. Battle of Ford. San Mamarel, James Maniquez. Mercado and Clark Colesa. Pero leading pa rin it's Anton Cortez. Wow, 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 wow.
On a battle for fourth position, we still have here James
Wow, wow, wow.
Maniguez, Santa Maria and now positions on fifth.
Wow.
James Maniguez on fourth, on fifth, Christopher Mercado, and on
Still
sixth,
leading Anton Cortez.
Clark Colesa.
McLaren on third, Donoy Fernandez on second, James Maniquez on fourth, Mercado, Mamaril, Clark Colesa, and then Nigel Torre, Kurt Amdengan. Intermediate class proceed. Wow. 10 laps, 10 laps, 10 laps.
Have our race leader, 518, and followed by Macy. Coming in for the third position, we have rider number 13, McLaren Villacorta, followed by James Maniguez.
Then leading the bullet of Kiblawan, Anton Cortez. Wow. Wow. Clark Colesa versus San Mamaril. Nawala si Kim Magwal. Waiting for white flag, Anton Cortez. White flag, white flag.
Race. This is the
White
last
flag.
lap for Anton Cortez and Donald
Wow. Hoy. White flag, white flag, white flag. Leading from Mindanao. Third is McLaren Villacorta. Wow. Waiting for checkered flag, Anton Cortez and Nonoy Fernandez. Checkered flag, checkered flag.
Intermediate, 518, Anton Cortez, followed by Donor Fernandez, 518. Coming in, we also have here
Checkered flag.
rider number 13. For the checkered flag, third position, that is McLaren Villacorta, followed by 93, Christopher Mercado, James
Wow.
Maniguez on fifth, on sixth, San Mamaril, followed by Clark Walisa and Nigel Torre.
Checkered flag. Kurt Amdengan.